All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverbs. So once, once. Just a single time, just once. Just times one. So I was there once before. He told me the answer once, but I forgot it. We had the one chance to do it. There was only once. We will be alive only once. Yeah. He had one chance and he took it. How cool is that? Yeah. He was alive once. He was once alive. This person, not anymore. He was alive once, but not anymore. No. Yeah. We all have made an important choice at least once in our lives. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So we had once chance. We had only once. Once. Okay, no. Once there was. We once had the chance to go there, but things didn't quite work out. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. I will have once chance tomorrow. There will be once more. Once chance, one chance. Do you think there will be another chance tomorrow? Or would or did it only come once? Did it only come once? Depends on things. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, just once. So, once. Not again. So, can you use once in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.